it right there. Easy now, easy. Setting the load.
Confirmed set. Moving the forklift now.
Driver, easy right, hold it. All systems report green, staging area clear for egress. Watch your spacing on that left side. Clear it right. Get that secured now, we're running hot. Alpha 6, maintain bearing 290. Keep that blade steady. Roger, moving bridging equipment into position now. Watch your spacing. We have incoming air support and 5 mics. Keep it moving, push it hard. Locked and secured. Next team, move up. Fuel point 2, clear to pump. Check your pressure, private. Gauge is steady. Watch the rut, keep it steady. Almost there, easy right. Rack is clear, bring it in. Watch your spacing on the left.
All units, hold the line at checkpoint 4, awaiting clearance to board.
Left! Easy on the swing. Hold steady, bring it down 5 feet. Chocks are set, battle captain. Verify the chains on the 3rd vehicle. All green back here. Check the tension on the forward tie down. It's locked. All right, clear the area. Power check, initiate sequence. Engine 1 engaged, stand by for 2. Roger that, maintaining pressure. Clear the bay, rolling up. Watch the deck clearance, keep it moving. Starboard restraints are clear, boss. Manifest is signed off, we're ready for the lift. Easy on the turn, watch your clearance. Set it down right here. Get that hose secured now. We need more water on pallet 3. Checkpoint is clear, keep moving.
Solid copy. We have a green light on the primary link.
Manifest clear. Move, move, move. Harness secure. Send them. Final check complete. We have confirmed movement on the scope. Bearing 290. Acknowledged. Get these covers secured now. All right, take the tension. Watch the slack on the left side. Holding steady. Coming up slowly. Cable secured. Clear the area. Easy now, watch your spacing. Left side clear, keep coming back. Hold it steady, watch the ground. Clear on the left, keep coming back. We need that rotor crate up front now. Hold that spacing, watch the left rear. Clearance confirmed, send the next one up.
Convoy spacing remains critical. Monitor rear security, over. Signal the bird to the next spot.
Watch your spacing on the left.
Hold it.
All right, clear. Guide right. Keep it moving. Watch your spacing. Secure those chains now. Move. Go. Driver, steady on. We're clear on the right.
Fuel level stable. Check the starboard pylon.
Looks good. Moving the ladder now. Get those lines clear. Let's go. Fuel clear, Chief. Send it. Lift the hose clear of the mat. Steady. Move the pods to the staging area. Let's go. Blades locked. Check complete. We're moving forward, chocks now. Signal the bridge. We're set. Get that cable secured by the generator. We're on it. Almost there. Watch the wind on that mast. Clear the lane, coming through. Hold it right there, almost tight. I need those chocks checked now. Is the tension good on the track? Yeah, check's complete. Straps are secure, closing the hatch now. Status on the fuel, are we topped off yet?
Yeah, almost done. We are good to go.
Check your straps, let's move out.